Oh, hey there. I was just doing a little bit of computing. Van build videos. What happened? We had 2. And there was no 3rd or 4th or 5th. Well, I lost a bunch of footage, got really frustrated, and a little discouraged in making the videos. Plus, I had a deadline for the van build to be completed by, and all my time went into building. So editing had to come later when the van was done and I was on the road and I had more free time, which I still don't even really have much free time right now. I've been busy non-stop for pretty much the last 3 weeks. I want to get these videos done with these van builds, and then after that I think what I'm going to do is maybe start doing kind of like a monthly video of what I've been up to. Skydiving, base jumping, mountain biking, paramotoring, climbing, hiking, all that stuff. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm going to do just yet, but so far it's been a blast and it's working great. So with no further ado, hold on a second, I just gotta cue this up. Perfect, let's go. Hey guys, it's a beautiful Sunday. Just had a little party in the van last night. Now we're building boring shit that you're never gonna see when it's in there, but it's gonna cover the base of this water tank. Let me show you what I just built. This is a tray for the water tank. That little hole there, that's all nicely routed. That's just where the spout's gonna go. This just goes right in the rear of the van. Rear right, just like that. Here we are building this bed frame now. That's the edge of the bike slide, lines up with that. We are welding the frame, the bed frame actually, and we're painting it. What we got now is a water tank holder, just installing that. You probably didn't see this because I lost all the footage. Obviously, you can see this is a sub box. I am by no means any sort of a stereo installer. I have done a couple. The stereo guys out there probably think this looks like crap. Contact cement, and you need to put it on both sides. Some on the box, some on this shit. Hello. Here's the sub box. That's a smooth side. It's kind of a garbage side. Look at that. Look how ugly that is. That's why we leave a little bit extra. Let's see what this amazing router will do for that shitty edge. Is that not nice? It's pretty nice. And we are cutting out the subwoofer enclosure holes. Just a router. And that's how you solder when you got a shitty soldering iron. And we're soldered. All connections are soldered. Which, in my configuration, now we are installing the rear speakers. Brett Lonson swung by to drink a beer with me while I did that. This is where the speaker is going to go, and then this is going to be like some mountains, like kind of like a cutout. So right now I'm just drilling a couple of holes. It's going to sit at about a 15-degree angle, and this will kind of be aimed at about head height. So I think it's going to turn out good. It's a lot of work for a petty little thing, but who knows? Yeah, now is just a little sped up rendition of how we built this enclosure with the little mountains and the mountaintop. Stain it, sorry, and I think this shit's gonna look pretty nice when it's all done. You got the crossover. This is gonna get mounted in the back there. Drilling holes for electrical conduit. Oh yeah, look at that. much wraps it up for this build vid. You can see me doing a little bit of electrical here. We'll get to that on the next video. You can start to see how the rest of that's coming together, as well as the electrical enclosure. Yeah, stay tuned. I'll try and make a video in the next week or two here, and we'll keep it rolling.